Welcome, ambassadors, and thank you so much for being a part of BGSU One Day. The following tutorial will walk you through our BGSU One Day site from the login page to your ambassador dashboard. This is a preview of the main BGSU One Day homepage. To get to the ambassador page, you're going to want to select the Ambassadors tab in the top right-hand corner. To get to the homepage, use the web address www.oneday.bgsu.edu. Once you have selected the Ambassadors tab, it will direct you to the Ambassador homepage. Click down at the bottom where it says Sign in here to bring yourself to the Ambassador login page. This is the page where you will enter your email address and password associated with your BGSU One Day account. For quick future access, bookmark this page in your browser. Once you have entered your email address and password and selected Sign In, you will be directed to your Ambassador dashboard. Your dashboard gives you quick access to send emails and post on social media. The button you see here will work with your Outlook inbox. If you have another email inbox, we recommend downloading the technical support guide at the bottom of your dashboard so you can copy and paste our email template directly into a new message. For those of you who wish to use social media to support your initiative, you may use the three buttons you see here to post on Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. The first time you click, it will automatically prompt you to link your account. On the right side of your dashboard, you can keep track of your progress by viewing the total dollars raised, the number of donors who have given, and which social media platform they clicked through. This is where you will find your unique referral link. By using the drop-down under Referred Page and changing it to the initiative that you wish to support, this will ensure that you are directing those who use your unique link to the correct page. This is where you can create a short URL unique to you. The text can be anything you'd like. For example, here I have changed my unique link to Help Kate Support BGSU. This is in no way a required change. I will also note that you may include your affiliated programs on this page using the drop-down. This does not impact your page other than to show our team your potential areas of support or what programs you were involved in. Ambassadors, thank you so much for watching our tutorial video. We hope you now feel ready and excited to help us support BGSU for our annual Day of Giving. If you have additional questions, please contact our team by email or phone. Email oneday@bgsu.edu or call 419-372-7690.